Have you ever noticed that your iPhone gets slower due to a pile of old messages? There's no need to constantly delete messages manually. In this guide, you'll learn how to set up automatic message deletion on your iPhone so your device stays clean and fast. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. And turn on the notification bell so you'll always be updated on new tutorials I post. Now, at the very beginning, go to Settings and open them. Once you're in the settings, the next step is to scroll all the way down, and at the bottom of the page, you'll find the Apps section. Tap on it. When you're in the Apps section, you can see a list of all installed apps on your phone. Scroll through the list and find the Messages app. Once you find it, tap on it. When you're on the Messages app settings page, you'll see a lot of options. Just scroll down, and there you'll find the Keep Messages section. Then tap on it. In this section, you can choose whether you want your messages to be automatically deleted after 30 days or 1 year. I'll choose after 30 days. After you choose, a message will appear warning you that messages older than the selected period will be permanently deleted, and you can't undo this action. If you agree, tap on Delete. Then, in the pop-up window that appears, tap on Delete Older Messages to confirm. This will enable automatic message deletion after the selected period. After that, your settings will be saved, and your iPhone will automatically delete old messages according to your preferences. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, just leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.